hell.
You might be a person. You know what a person has: a certain age, a certain height, a certain something. It might be infinite. Cool. Infinity. We all think we know what it means, something that never ends. But you are stupid. Not all infinities are equal. Some infinities are actually bigger than others. Yeah, imagine you're counting 1, 2, 3. That list goes on forever. That's the infinity of natural numbers. We can call that infinity level 1. Okay, what if we look at even numbers only? 2, 4, 6. There are fewer of them, right? It half as many. But here's the tweaking part. There are just as many evens as there are natural numbers. You can pair them perfectly. 1 with 2, 2 with 4, 3 with 6, and so on. Every natural number has a partner. No one gets left out, except you. So both sets are the same size, infinite, but hey, at least it got a partner. Okay, fine, but what about decimals between 0 and 1? Like 0.1, 0.11, 0.697353. Surely there can't be as many of those as whole numbers, but there's tiny space between 0 and 1. But here's where things go crazy. There are actually infinitely more decimals between 0 and 1 than there are whole numbers in existence. This was proven by a genius named Georg Cantor in the 1800s. Absolute Chad. He did it with something called the diagonal argument, a mind-blowing idea that shows no matter how you try to list all decimals, you'll always miss some. There's no way to count them all, even with infinity. So we now have two kinds of infinity. The countable one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and the uncountable one, like all the decimals between 0 and 1. And math doesn't stop there. There are infinities beyond that, and beyond that we have each new infinity is bigger than the one before it. And the craziest part, everything you've ever counted, imagined, or measured lives at the very first level, the smallest infinity. Everything beyond that is so vast our brains can't even picture it. But infinity still feels small in front of your mom. But hey, all this information cost a 0.5 subscriber, and if you like to, then comment.